guys, so welcome back to Vlogmas. Today is Vlogmas day 7, and today I wanted to give you some quick tips and ideas on how to save money for Christmas. And the first thing I wanted to mention is how to save money on Christmas decor. So when you're on a budget like me and a lot of other people, you really want to save money and not spend too much on Christmas decor because, you know, you still have gifts to buy if you do believe in gift giving or if you can afford it that year. So one way that I save money on decor is shopping at stores like Walmart, Dollar Tree, Dollar General. So this tree that you see behind me, this is a 6-foot tree. You probably can't see all of it. So I got this tree at Walmart. I got the tree for $39. It's like the cheapest tree that they have. Actually, no. They have a $25 tree, which is for like a 4-foot tree. But if you're looking for a 6-foot tree, I got this one at Walmart. And I got this case of, it brings 26 ornaments. It's like this size. 26 ornaments. So I got the pink ones and I got the gold ones. And these were $9.99. So it brings a lot of ornaments for the price, which is a really good idea when you're trying to like save money on decor. Just buy like a big one for a good amount. So it was $9.99. So I didn't spend more than like 50, 60 bucks for that tree and the decorations. This was a pre-lit tree. So that's one way you could save money. Another place is obviously the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree is awesome. You can find the cutest Christmas stuff. They sell a lot of seasonal items, so you can find everything there, everything. So one of the things I got was, I made this like myself, but it's like the little fake poinsettias. It's white, and then it has like the little glass vase. I got this for $1 and these for $1. So I didn't spend more than $3 on this, and I just put it on my table, and it's just really cute. Another thing that I got, well, this was actually for fall. It looks red, but it's actually kind of orange. And then I had put these little pine cones in here, another $1. Got those at Dollar Tree. It's endless. And I just have this hung on my wall if you saw my previous videos, but it's another cute little Christmas item to save, you know, if you're looking for cute decor for your living room. Another way to save money is to just have your Christmas decorations in just one area of your house. So for me, it's like just the living room where I decorated, and then like I'm putting lights outside, but I have it all kind of contained into the living room, so that way, you know, you don't have to spend that much. You really, everything that I showed you, I didn't go over $100 just for Christmas decor. You can also check like Facebook Marketplace. People like sell their trees for cheap, for like used trees. You know, you don't necessarily need to buy a brand new tree every year, or use an older tree that you may have and just spruce it up with some new ornaments. It's just like a really good idea to save some money. Another thing that you want to consider is saving money on gifts. One way that I save money on gifts is I always shop like at discount stores. Obviously Walmart, that's like a given, and the dollar stores. But there is a store called Five Below, and I just heard of it. It's a new store. Everything is like $5 or less. They sell everything you could think of. So they have like makeup, bath and body. You can literally get gifts for your entire family at this store. It's called Five Below. So make sure you check like on your maps to see if it's in your area. But if you have like a little kid or kids in your house, that's the place to go. They have everything like Frozen 2, and so I went there recently and I got this for my son. This is a Monopoly game. It's a Mario Kart, and it brings like all the little carts, and we play this all the time. He got this before Christmas, but this little game here was like $5. I kid you not. And it's the cutest little game, and we love it. He loves it. And so see, it doesn't have to be expensive to give a good gift for Christmas. And it's a good quality gift, and it's something that they're going to use. It's not something that they're just going to discard. Like, we play it all the time. So that's another way to save money on gifts, is kind of shop discount stores, which is what I love to do. Another thing I love to do is, another idea for giving gifts is get things for people that you know they're actually going to use, not just like another bath and body set if they're not going to use it, if it's just going to sit there. So if you know what the person likes, or you know what your loved ones like, if they love candles, get them a candle, get them a nice smelling candle. There's always sales at Bath and Body Works. So just a really cute little candle. It makes a really cute little gift. And this stuff is like more personal because you know this is something they'll use and that they love. So I love giving candles. That's just my thing. Another gift that you can't go wrong with is, not this specific one, but I do recommend reading this book, but give a book. People don't read enough nowadays, and some people actually do love to read. I'm one of those people. I love reading. I am so happy when somebody gives me like a good candle and a good book, and you don't have to spend even like $10 on either, because it doesn't have to be brand name anything. You can get these at like dollar stores, or they sell good candles everywhere. These are really good, but there's good ones. Like if you go to Big Lots, they have like all the Yankee candles and they're all on sale, probably like $7. So those are really good deals. Another way, if you have like a beauty lover at home, you can get on Amazon and find the cheapest but good quality makeup. So I had bought this. This is used, so don't mind me, but I just want to show you. This is like a really good gift idea. This is from Beauty Glazed, and I've used the hell out of this. I got this palette on Amazon months ago. I've been using this is the one I use the most, and that's why it's all messy. But I got this palette for $8 on Amazon. Right now it's $8.99. I'll link it down below for you guys. Just another good gift. If you know a girl that loves makeup, get her a little makeup kit on Amazon. Super cheap. You don't have to break the bank for good quality Christmas presents. So those are just some tips on ways to save money on decor and gifts. And the last thing I wanted to talk about is things to do. You can always find free activities. If you look into the website for your local town, which would be like the Chamber of Commerce, they will list all the activities that are planned for the holidays there. So like for my town, they have a ton of parades. They have a parade tomorrow that I'm hoping we can go to. The parades are free. It's Christmas lights. They have a festival of lights. A lot of towns have like tree lighting ceremonies. They have all types of stuff that you could do with your family for free. Get some hot cocoa, take it with your family, and you have a good, fun day out with your family, and you spent like literally nothing, maybe $1, maybe $2. So that's another really, really good idea. And just keep in mind, like when you're shopping, you don't have to buy these fancy, expensive presents if you're on a budget and trying to save money. So what else did I put here? You can shop at stores like Walmart, TJ Maxx, Ross, Marshalls, Bell's Outlet. If you're in Florida or in the South, excellent store. I've been shopping there for a lot of my gifts. You save a ton of money. And always check Amazon, because Amazon has everything for every price range, so you don't really have to spend a lot. Another thing you can do is also make, like if you have gifts that you want to give to your fellow employees at work, you can make your own Christmas treats, make your own like what they call Christmas crack, where you can make like your own chocolate treats. There's videos on YouTube on how to do it. I've been watching. Really easy stuff that you can get from the Dollar Tree, like Ritz crackers, and dip them in like chocolate. People make all types of Christmas treats with these things. So, and it won't cost you over like $5. So it's another good idea on how to save money, you know, with gifts, little gifts here and there for work. Check your local thrift stores. You can also find like new books at the thrift store for like $1/4. Brand new books that have never been used. For those people that love reading, give them a book. That's such a good idea to give somebody is a good book. People love reading, or you know, get them off their phones. I just think it's a really good idea, and these are just my tips. You know, might not work for everybody, but this is how I save money on Christmas gifts and Christmas decor. And all these gifts that you see down here, it's not that many, but I did get the gift wrap at Walmart, and I bought a 4-pack of all this gift wrap for $4. So I bought the big pack of those, the 4 rolls. We already ran out, but for $4. I didn't have to spend more than that, and I bought tape for $1. So these are just ways that I save, and I wanted to share these little tips with you guys. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas Day 7, and I hope you find these little tips helpful. Let me know in the comments below how you guys save money on your gifts every year or your Christmas decor. I would love to hear from you. Thank you guys for watching.